diggity. You got work it out now. I like the way you work it, no diggity. Hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, y'all. Make sure we're still running. Make sure the tape's still running. Tape's still running. What? Man, that thing stopped. I don't like that. Russian twist. Man, that ain't cool. We gotta run that one back then. I know we do. Where to stop? I gotta run it back. Plank bag pulls. Come on, y'all. Where y'all at, man? We gotta get this as a group. As a group. As a group, we gotta dig in. Oblique crunches. Next movement, half Turkish get-ups. Half Turkish. Come all the way up on the elbow, then on the hand, back to the elbow, back to the hand. Let's switch up real quick. We can give it on both sides. Abs like abs stuck on fuego, boy. Windshield wipers. Abs having a heart attack. Core is on fire. Asking who's for hire. Bring the muscles together so they can conspire to take your brother higher and get with this mint of time. Oh yeah. Go get that. Ow! Butterfly. Butterfly kicks and laughs. No, forget that. We're gonna go back pass. Back pass. Pass off while it's bigger than your face. Ah. Ah. Ha. Oh, I'll go crazy just like music. Do, do. Oh. Ha. Oh yeah.